What if I told you financial freedom isn't just for adults? You can start building it right now. It means having choices. Buying what you want, saving for big goals, and making your own decisions. This is about more than cash. It's about responsibility and independence. Imagine treating your friends to pizza or supporting a cause you care about, all with your own money. Earning your own money teaches you the value of hard work and real-world skills. Each dollar you make is a step toward your future. You'll learn discipline, patience, and how to set and achieve goals. Start small. Maybe your first goal is $10, then $50, then $100. Every milestone proves you can do it and motivates you to dream bigger. You're in control of your destiny, and it all starts with that first dollar. So, let's start this adventure together. Forget what you thought you knew about making money. We'll show you how to begin with what you already have. This guide is your roadmap, step by step, super simple. By the end, you'll have a clear plan to start earning and building your own freedom. Are you ready? Your future is waiting. Let's go get it. The journey starts now. Take your first step today. Your freedom is in your hands. There's a myth that you need a degree, experience, or expensive gear to make money. That's just not true. The internet has leveled the playing field for everyone, no matter your age or background. Your age is actually your superpower. You grew up with technology and understand it better than most adults. Skills like using social media, editing videos, and navigating the web are valuable. Businesses want your knowledge. They're trying to catch up to you. You don't need a business plan or a loan, just creativity, a willingness to learn, and your phone. The idea that you have to wait your turn is outdated. The internet is full of opportunities you can access right now. You can learn any skill for free and start a business from your bedroom. The only person who can hold you back is you. Let's agree to forget the myth. You are capable and ready. This journey is about proving yourself right. The path won't always be easy, but it's worth it. You have the tools, the talent, and now the knowledge. Let's put it all to work. Start building something amazing. The world is waiting for your ideas. Don't let self-doubt stop you. Your time is now. Look at your phone. It's more than a device for texting or scrolling. It's a portable office, a studio, a marketplace. Your smartphone is the most powerful wealth-building tool ever invented. It connects you to billions of people and endless opportunities. The key is to switch from being a consumer to a creator and earner. Every app can be used to make money if you use it the right way. On Instagram, you can build a theme page and sell shoutouts. On YouTube, you can create videos and earn ad revenue. Your phone is a business starter kit in your pocket. You already know how to use it, now use it to earn. Download apps that pay for simple tasks, join platforms to find clients, or set up an online store. Manage everything from your phone, anywhere, anytime. Start thinking of your phone as your business partner. Learn its features, explore new apps, and see every notification as a potential opportunity. This mindset shift is crucial. When you see your phone as a tool, everything changes. You're investing your time, not just passing it. Turn screen time into productive time. This is your first real step to turning your phone into your fortune. The opportunity is in your hands. Use it wisely. Start today. Ready for action? The easiest way to make your first dollar online is with microtasking apps. These platforms pay you small amounts for quick, simple tasks like surveys, watching videos, or testing apps. Apps like Swagbucks and Taluna are full of these gigs. You won't get rich, but it's a great way to prove you can earn real money from your phone. Spend 20 minutes a day, and those small earnings add up. Gig apps like Gigwalk or Field Agent pay you to do real-world tasks like taking photos in stores. It's like being a secret shopper fun, and you get paid. The goal isn't to make this your job, but to get started and build momentum. Cashing out your first $10 or $20 is a huge confidence boost. Download an app, complete your first task, and make your first dollar. That first dollar is the most important one you'll ever earn. It proves this works. Take action now. Your journey begins with one simple task. Once you've made a few dollars, it's time to level up. Freelancing. Sell your skills, graphic design, video editing, writing, voiceovers, whatever you're good at. Make a list of your talents even if they seem small. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork let you create a profile and offer your services. Set your prices, get hired, and build your reputation with great reviews. Deliver high-quality work and communicate clearly. Each project makes you better and more valuable. Learn new skills online to increase your earning power. Freelancing isn't just about cash, it's about building a portfolio and reputation. Start small, aim high. Your skills are worth money. Take the leap and offer your services today. Your freelance journey starts now. Let's talk content creation. You already spend hours on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Why not become a creator? Your voice and interests are unique and people want to hear from you. Build a community around your passion. Gaming, fashion, comedy, or daily life. All you need is your phone to record, edit, and upload videos. The key isn't fancy equipment, but great ideas and authenticity. Be consistent. Post regularly so your audience knows when to expect new content. Your first videos might not get many views, but everyone starts at zero. Make money through YouTube ads, TikTok and Instagram creator funds, and brand deals. Sell your own merchandise or promote affiliate products for commissions. Building a following takes time and dedication. Be patient and love the process. Interact with your audience and build a real community. Don't get discouraged by slow growth. Keep creating, keep improving, and stay true to yourself. Your story is valuable. The world is waiting to hear it. Love finding deals? Try the reseller hustle. Buy low, sell high, find items for cheap and sell them online for a profit. Clothes, games, collectibles, anything. Start by selling things you already own on Depop, Poshmark, or Facebook Marketplace. Take clear photos, write honest descriptions, and learn the process risk-free. Once you've sold your stuff, hunt for deals at thrift stores or garage sales. Use your phone to check prices and spot profitable items. The more you do it, the better you get. Try drop shipping. Set up an online store, sell products, and let suppliers handle shipping. You never touch the inventory. It takes more setup, but it's a powerful phone-based business. Turn your shopping skills into cash. The treasure hunt starts now. Profit is just a sale away. Digital products are pure profit. Create once, sell forever. No inventory, no shipping, just your creativity and your phone. Design phone wallpapers, social media templates, or printable art and sell on Etsy. Write a short ebook or guide on something you know well. Musicians can sell beats or sound packs. Think about what you know that others would pay for. Another option: app and website testing. Companies pay for your feedback on new apps and sites. Platforms like user testing pay well for your honest opinions. All you need is your phone and clear communication. Get paid to test new tech and share your thoughts. Combine digital products and testing for a solid income stream. Work smart, not just hard. We've covered a lot, but here's the secret sauce. Consistency, skill building, and an entrepreneur mindset. Consistency is key. Show up every day, even when it's tough. Spend 30 minutes daily on your side hustle. That's what separates doers from dreamers. Always be learning. Watch tutorials, take free courses, read about marketing. The more skills you have, the more valuable you become. Invest in yourself. Your brain is your biggest asset. Adopt an entrepreneur mindset. Make things happen, see problems as opportunities, and don't fear failure. Be resourceful, creative, and resilient. This mindset will help you in business and life. Here's your action plan. Pick one method from this guide that excites you. Commit to it for 30 days. Don't give up too soon. The first weeks are the hardest. Push through challenges and keep learning. You have the tools and the guide. The rest is up to you. Go build your fortune.